अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजलाई। वेलकम टू एवरीवन। थैंक यू सो मच joining my live stream. Dear friends, like, follow, share, and my friend, dear friends, like, follow, share my live stream. आज हम बात करेंगे गेट लॉन्च पोल फॉर जेट प्लस 31311 गेट गाटा गाटा स्टेक यूएसडी जीटी गाटा टू claim airdrops. Gata launch pool Get launch pool is set to launch for Jet 311 Gata. Gata user can stake USD GT Gata to share 2.0.0 Gata tokens for free. Airdrop details stake period September 5, 2025 at 3.0 UTC. September 15, 2025 at 3.0 UTC. Total staking reward 2.0.0 Gata. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Like, follow, share my live stream. Stick to earn. Gata. Gata is pretty advanced digital AL inference and trading technical enablement social AL model to collaborate efficacy increase global distributed GPUs. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. 2.0.0 Gata total reward start time 2025 9 5 8.0.0 end time 2025 9:50 8.0.0 and in 1 day 1 3 5 8. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. A collaborative IL during industrialization. Welcome to Gata. Gata is building advanced installation AL inference and trading technical enablement track social AL model to collaborative effectively across global distributed GPUs. Our version is the Mac Digital Inference and Trading, one of the petitions information from the title Dollars Global AL Economic during lesson on digital incremental data country and advanced AL toward toward a global cooperation freedom. People resistance AL has stored protocol to crypto specified volume in the ready across AL economic with the project to each trillions of dollars by 2013 with a total attributes market exceeding $1 billions. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. It Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream and thank you so much. Equilibrity AL with digitations. Get flooded the open expression infinity from all and F the verified of digital and declarative to user. Data again Refill information powered data story get Gata GPT, free funds and rewarded chat platform. Gata again start DVA distilled in funds upcoming distilled training developing. The future of our trading data is algorithm data. Data again trains alert completely into a digital again from high clarity in century asset in that from any process. Data by number 1.20 million total unique address. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Just like to share my live stream. 150K daily active user, 2.85 million translations, 20 million plus storage users. 4.3 TB data download size, 4.9K 91 millions object storage. No one day apps on BNB as than this lazy storage chain. Latest news and update. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream and thank you so much. Gata $4 million site. We are excluded to increase our $4 million sound found sit down to advance distillation larger model inference trading and data technologies. Data account DVA data validations account is get is first data again it rounds and locales to increase the locality to amazing crypto appears from the way interaction as seen to is cost between one and one. Balance lab investment Balance lab investment in Gata informs quality the learning project and BNB can fight. Gata project protect data again GT Gata GPT defless information defless training sport and economic model kit community executor record telegram 2025 Gata all right receiver form trim of service privacy publics. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, for share my live stream, and thank you so much. Gata FAQ. Get launch pool FAQ. Question number one. What is Get Launch Pool? Get Launch Pool is any navigate stake and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USD, GUSD or other token to earn holy airdrop for hot and new coins with low entry basis and high APR. It is the limited platform from effortlessly cooperating market operationals. Question number two. How can I participate in Get Launch Pool? First, log to your Get accounts and navigate to the Get Launch Pool page and choose the project you want to participate and in and stake your asset. Check the participate guide. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number three. What coins can I stake in Get Launch Pool? The tokens acquired from participate will be encountered on the mining page. For each project, please visit the corresponding page of Get Launchable to view more details. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream, and thank you so much. Question number four. How many tokens will be rewarded? Holly staking reward invested last one horse ballistic amount. Total posting command Harley reward pool. The platform will take multiple capture of personal staking. Amount is Harley and take the array stake amount as the value stake amount. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Question number 5. How are reward distributed? The platform will take multiply Snapchat or person stake amount early and token reward are distributed to agree by user. Only earning will be distributed into user sport accounts. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number 6. When will the stake asset be returned? After the user return advance the staking is complete, the staking asset will be transferred to simple and by different. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. If this option is unlocked, this stake asset will be returned into spot asset. If the amount of return asset is too simple and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple and the asset will be automatically transferred to spot asset. Simple if simple and does not spot the claim of the redeem token, the asset will also be automatically transferred to spot asset. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream and thank you so much. Question number 7. Can a return by stake asset at any time? The platform will take multiply Snapchat of merchant staking amount each holiday and calculate the value stake amount. How every earning repetition might result in the loss of increased reward, please maintain stable taking amount and increased mining reward. Question number 8. Can add education stake asset and you can increase your stake asset in any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your protocol mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive a staking reward. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream and thank you so much. Question number 9. Can participate in multiple projects at the same time when there are multiple launch projects going on the same time. You can stake is different pool to receive now tokens. Mining reward from multiple projects. Each stake pool need to be stake simplified. If you only stake asset in pool A, you will not be able to operating reward from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B. Simplify to operating the cross padding mining reward form of the new tokens. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. And please like, share my live stream. Question number 10. What is the maximum money reward I can receive? The holiday reward had cap per user from each project is different. Only the cap is reached. No future stake reward will be greater. Please refer to the relevant information from the mining page for the reward had cap limited from each project. Question number 11. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, and thank you so much. No as a stake in Get Large Pool will be an in in the essay holding calculator from holder airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privilege. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number 12. What will happen to my funds if the project and any earning? In case of any ending, your as stake principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ending, and your last interval will be distributed on the horse after the end time. Regulated distributed before the ending will not be effected. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. About annual percentage rate APR. One, when the reward coins in the stake coin. APR total reward lasted in the last hour total stake x365 x24 s 100%. When the reward coins is not the stake coins, APR total reward lasted in the last hour x closing price of the reward coin of the last hour total stake x closing price of the stake coins of the last hour x365 x to 4 x 100%. Note: the API is any time and form refers only the actual anniversary referred to finally receive share payable API data is updated only. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. About transferring the return asset to simple and free stream. One, how to get a drop bonds when you stake BTC, GT, ETH, and USD in launch pool. You will get a bonus watch is day subject to the invalidity reward cap for host by charging the transfer to redeem asset to simple and free stream. Please note the exception to simple and flexible stream of this stream on one outside launch pool will not be credited from bonus. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. When did I receive bonus after subscribing to Simple and Stream Wednesday? If you will receive the reward cap per horse, no more bonus will be distributed. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream, and thank you so much. Unlock my method. Unlock 100%. Get launch. Well, I'll be user to get it advanced. You can stay USA before the official launch of the project to increase your start earning reward as mining begins. You say where you say we stake GT University or GT and enclose the report into simple and 7 day stream protect can enjoy 35% extra airdrop reward one top of their original stake earning. Large pool module upgrade return to simple and stream enjoy yield post plus up to 4% APR. Get protect intrusion in the get launch pool simple and stream do earning program when users stake BTC, ETH, GTU, USD and launch pool and tries to have their airdrop. Return funds automatically transferred to simple and stream protect, then can enjoy multiple earning and include extra airdrop reward one top of their original staking earning place simple earn referred of up to 4% APR. Simple. If you opt to auto transfer to return funds, simple RF stream you will enjoy 19% bonus trade to so if your original earning to trade 10 tokens per horse after the bonus you will earning 19 tokens per horse. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for share my live stream. Imported notes. Want to increase full scores and method experiences, please update your data and get up to the last inversion 7.160.0 before participate. To when user participate in launch pool try the auto transfer their asset funds to simple and the different protect will be the 7 days of fish stream protect funds referred into simple and fish stream will be located unit the protect method and cannot be returned earning please play your funds using increase please run unpaid stream is not line clarity in this event if this pay stream product you select as release it is subject a cap the platform will automatically subscribing you will to the flexibility product insert you will not you and you will still be eligible from the article airdrop reward offered in this event. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Each stake pool has a personal hard reward cap for when you total reward in that pool. Incredible points reach that cap, future reward will be received. For once you talk PT and to transfer redeem funds into simple and fixed protect your funds will be automatically transferred into the simple and protected without you return earning at the method. 5. Only simple and fixed stream holding transfer VIA launch pool repetition are eligible from the bonus reward. Simple and fixed stream product distributed outside launch pool are not eligible from these operations. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. 6. Only you choose to auto transfer your data in funds to simple and fees for your first repetition from a simplified pool all the supplicate operations from the pool you will be automatically transferred to simple and fee stream. Please choice with turn based on your needs. Get team August 2025 get back to crypto trade over 3.5 cryptocurrency safely quickly and see and on get tech activity now sign up and claim up to 10.0 dollars in welcome reward analysis fund and earn a 14% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website, download the Get app, follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus, join our Telegram community to increase trading topics. Equilibrium with a global community from the last insight. Transparency and security check 100% provide service. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Reward distributed. The system will be distributed token reward to users per account on any hourly basis based on the particular of asset and then have at stake. Get launch pool FAQ. Newcomer exclusive stake pool and only new user stay sign up after September 3, 2005 at 0.0 UTC are available. How to participate? Log into your Get accounts and complete individuality verification. Navigate to last poll order or at last 0.1 USD 70.01 GT 1 GATA check click staking. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Exclusive perk from free for USD newcomer push take to win 100 USD position launcher. User we participate in the USD newcomer polls and monitor our connection stake during of no longer than 1448 hours with any average averaging staking amount of the last 100 USD will be eligible to receive 100 USD positive voucher. The average effective stake amount will be calculated based on activity, stake pool, and repetition during the country's stake pool periods. Limited to 3 purchasers, spot on a first come first served basis. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Project informations. GATA is a pretty advanced simplified AI inference and trading technical equitable large in social AI model to collaborative efficacy across global distributed GPUs. Official website. Get GitLab investment disclosure. GitLab did not invest in Gata Gata. Not one. GitLab poll is a environment stake airdrop platform where user can earning holy airdrop of training and new elicited horse by staking GT, BTC, ETH, USD, GUSD, or the stake with low entry basis and high API. It is any easy way to crypto market operations. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like to share my live stream and thank you so much. So, USD newcomer pool exclusive reward will be distributed as positive. Once eligible user will receive the airdrop with 14 working days after minting the requirement. Protocol repetition are always during the asset staking periods, but full repetition will assist the incrementally stake duration depending after matching the requirement will not be effectively reward distributed. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like share my live stream. See, please complete individual verification before participate in Launchpool to increase the security of your accounts and asset. 4. Please follow the relevant rules of the event when participate and chatting behavior and probability what will result in verified rectifications of the reward. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. For increase of distributed between the transfer and the original English version, the English version shall pay will 6. Get receiver all right of the finally expressions 7. This event is not affiliated with Apple ANC 8. User in the Unity kingdom and other registered location cannot increase the service inquiry the participate in this event game and competition see the user agreement for future details on receiver locations. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Each morning And as the blockchain is stable, still in stake earning still the project we invalidate sync factory reach and it version aspect in gallery operation and technical and the laws and security environment. Underside blockchain stable and investing in their investment reach security advanced technical and policy kingdom. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. Rather than due to influences from technical agriculture from work, market condition and other features, the project you participate in my experience simplified price evaluation with a price protocol reach from full shipments. Due to increased reliability of the information in technology of the project of the data technical trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw all of part of your assets from the project. While cryptocurrency projects are high risk by natural and cryptocurrency prices are high volatility in the platform team does not play any form of measure which community and downside protect place increase for you full enter inside the risk and are capable from predicting them before participate when where the material platform storage when of protect in cannot access liability from any assignment digital for proprietary and growth or competitions. And welcome to everyone. Thank you so much. I'm Malaya Stream. Please like for share Malaya Stream. Get Team September 5 2025 Get Factory Crypto Trade Offer 2 3.500 Crypto Happy quickly and easily and got tech activity now sign up and claim up to $10.00 in welcome reward invited fans and earn a 14% commission stake and visit Get the official website. Download the Get tab, follow us as tutor to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Equilibre with our global community from the last inside transparent and security check 100% proof of service. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for share my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, first share my live stream. Candy Drop complete task to claim a drop 167.71K total participate 2.01 million total drop USD. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream and thank you so much. Select how to join. One select project. Select the project you are interested in and complete the interactive task to earn candles. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, follow, share my live stream. complete interactive tasks. The more tasks you complete, the more candles you can earn, and the better your chances of getting a drop reward will be. Point 3. Wait for a drop, check the reward of distributed status and wait for a right drop. FAQ question number 1. What is Candy Drop? Candy Drop is any airdrop campaign launched by CAT. User can earn candles by completing tasks such as participate in trading, deposit in variety trends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candles you earn, increase your chances of winning a drop reward. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number 2: How to earn candles? You can earn candles by completing decision tasks in Candy Drop. Task tab in Gratitude Payment, trading, specified token deposit, and more. Each complete task will get you are created amount of candles. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number 3: How to verify the complete competitions of the event tasks? Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. After completing a task, the platform will automatically verify if without security a manual version you will see a prompt once the task is successfully complete. Question number 3: When will reward be distributed? Reward will be distributed to winners get accounts within 14 working days after the events and can be viewed in wallet related details. User must complete integrity verification before claiming reward. Question number 5: Can the candles be accumulated from the next event? Candles are exclusive to each event and cannot be viewed over to the next one. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream last poll. Quick stick and protocol new tokens $09 $0.4 million can retrieve up $1.51 million can incrementary total reward $7.11 million and receiver 6 million participate. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like for share my live stream. About Launchpool, question number one: what is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake the assets the priority to carry to earn reward in the new project tokens. You can check the simplified tokens in the project Launchpool pool to receive prospecting project token reward. Join Launchpool now. Question number two: how can I participate in Launchpool? First, log to your Get accounts and navigate to the Launchpool page. Then, choose the project you want to participate in and stake your asset. Question number three: what coin can I stake in Launchpool pool? The tokens available from participate will be cumulative on the mining page from each project. Please visit the cross-parting page form of Launchpool to view more details. Question number four: how to get data bonus? Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, full share my live stream. When you stake BTC, GT, ETH, and USD in Launchpool, you will get a bonus which is still subject to the annuity report cap by charging to different the redeem asset to simple and free stream. Please note that subscription to simple and free stream or free stream on once outside Launchpool will not be carried to bonus. Question number five: how many tokens will be reward? Only reward, only staking reward inventory last one or well stake amount total pool stake amount or reward pool system will take a snapshot of inventory stake amount each only the stake the average of the value stake amount. Question number six: when did I receive a bonus after subscribing to Simple on stream when taking you if you will receive the reward cap of all no more bonus will be distributed. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number six: when did I receive a bonus after subscribing to Simple and Fish Team? When stake if you we receive the reward cap per horse, no more bonus will be distributed. This is question number seven: how are reward distributed? System will take snapshot of melted stake amount and distribute token reward to eligible user. Hourly earning in will be distributed into sport accounts. Question number eight: when will the stake essay be returned? After the user redeem in advance a stake essay is complete, the stake essay will be transferred to Simple Earn by different. If this operation is launched, the stake essay will be redeemed into sport asset. If the amount of return essay is too simple and does not meet the maximum subscription amount of simple and the essay will be automatically transferred to spot asset. If simple and does not support the subscription of the return token, the essay will also be automatically transferred to spot asset. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Question number 9. Can a written by stake acid at any time? The system will take multiply snapshot of person stake amount is only the calculate the value stake amount. How every earning repetition might result in the loss of increased reward. Please maintain a stable morning staking amount to increase earning reward. Question number 10. Can an education stake currency? You can increase your stake currency at any time. The more token you stake, at greater your protocol mining reward. Everyone the reward cap is you will no loss receive a stake reward. First, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like or share my live stream. Question number 11. Can I participate in multiple project at the come time? When there are multiple launchable projects going on the same time, you can stake a different pool to receive now tokens mining reward. For multiple projects, each stake pool need to be stake simplified. If you only stake asset and pool A, you will not be able to operating reward. From pool B, you can stake pool A and pool B. Simplify to operating the corresponding mining reward. Question number 12. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The holy reward at cap per user from each project is different. Once cap is reached, no future stake or reward will be greater. Please refer to the level incrementally from the mining page for the reward at cap limited for each project. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like or share my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like or share my live stream. Question number 13. Will will stake acid in the launch pool best my way available? No as stake in get launch pool will be carry the in the stake as a holding calculator from moderator of launch pool and be payment. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like or share my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like or share my live stream. Hold airdrop, hold a GT at get maximum airdrop for free $0.01 airdrop receiver $293 point 6.68 million community airdrop $10 K to airdrop 11 million participate. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like or share my live stream and thank you so much. Launchpad. Launchpad be earning to the next peg tokens project $1.77 millions amount 90.16K participation project. No project in Launchpad now free launch pool. Log GUSD and EVNT to get EVNT airdrop highest APR 95.85%. Join Launchpad. Okay, okay. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Launchpad guide. What is Get Launchpad? Get Launchpad is Get Navigate tokens launch platform that allows you get earning increase to high vertical crypto project during a paid subscription model, giving you a head start before the market gets chased on. How do I participate in Get Launchpad? Log to your Get account, add to the next page, select a project and click Community Now View More. What tokens can I use to subscribing Launchpad? Subscription tokens are type typical USD, GT or other. Please check the project text from the preferred. The finally subscription token shall be based on the actual project, not be fraud. Funds are not eligible for participate in Get in Launchpad project. When my funds be located after subscribing, if you subscription if successful, the gross batting amount will be dedicated from the account with 4 hours after the subscription periods, and subscription protocol will also be unlocked and referred to your spot account in 4 hours after the subscription periods end. How are reward allocated after the subscriptions and tokens are distributed based on your crypto corporation as a percentage of the token fund receiver. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, and tokens are calculated to your spot accounts. How many tokens will I get? The number of tokens you get will be calculated and altered based on the proportion of your average hourly encryption during the subscription periods. Receivers of the overall project tokens community amount you most. Question: how to get the Launchpad bonus? When you use GT and USD to participate in Launchpad, you when choice to transfer to Simba or Stream product after the project ends, and you can get extra bonus will stay subject to the sponsor during limited concert. Not that you cannot get any extra distributed reward from the simple RFS product that has not been applied from during Launchpad. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, and thank you so much. When as there no launch pad upon when HUIs are keeping too simple and during the subscription, if you just reach the maximum distributed reward, there will be will no education reward. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like or share my live stream. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Please like or share my live stream. ये थी हमारी आज की लाइव। फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नई लाइव के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज दोस्तों, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। बाय बाय, टेक केयर। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजलाई।